How to transfer money from Facebook Pay to Cash App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll thoroughly explain the process of transferring money from Facebook Pay to Cash App and discuss the possibility of such a transaction. When you utilize the Facebook Pay, you will notice that the convenient option is to instantly receive or send funds from your contacts and even connect various payment methods to make the process more efficient. Regrettably, at this current time, Facebook Pay does not hold funds within the application, unlike certain other money transfer platforms. Instead, it directly moves money from the linked payment method or the bank account. Therefore, it is not viable to directly transfer funds from Facebook Pay to Cash App. An alternative method would involve linking your Cash App card to the Facebook Pay and completing the transaction in that manner. Nevertheless, as of now, the feature to transfer funds from your Facebook Pay to Cash App is not available. If this video has helped clarify your concerns, do show your support by liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.